Hello, hi, you're welcome. It's Henry the Computer Guy, and today I wanted to take you through how you can prevent your documents content from being copied and printed. Remember, at times we have some copyrighted books, we create our content, but some people just come and let's say duplicate and make copies out of those books and actually sell them without our consent. So what you can do is actually you can prevent someone from, let's say, copying the content of your document or printing the document itself. So what we are going to need is a software called PDF Anti-Copy. And if you don't have it on your computer, I request you to download it over the internet. And if you don't know how to download the software over the internet, I created a video on how to download software over the internet. You can go through my videos, then you'll see that video, rewatch it, then download and install that software onto your computer. So for me, I already installed it and it is PDF Anti-Copy and it is here. So what we are going to do is to open it, right click and open. Then this is how it will look like. Remember, it only works on PDFs, and I made a video on how to change a Word document to a PDF format. So we have the software now open, and we also have our PDF aside here. This is the file that we are going to prevent people from copying or printing. So what we do, we are going to hold it and drag it and put it into our software. So you have to give it time. So this is our document and it's having 7 pages. So we can now come and prevent or put our restrictions. For example, it's the global PDF permissions. For example, we don't want people to print that document and we don't want people to copy that document. So you can as well access this document, read it and use it just like that, but not copying and making duplicates out of it. Are we together? So that is it. So what we are going to do now, to browse for the location where we are going to save that document, and it's going to be on the desktop. You can also provide a password, but it is optional. You can put it or not. After that, you click on start. So you give it time and it processes all the pages that you're having into that document. So finally it is done, and it has created another copy. Let's minimize this and look at that copy it has created. So it has created another copy down here and it is called modified anti-copy. So let's open it and we see how it behaves. Open. So when we open it, let's minimize, let's make it its size smaller. Let's say something like increase a little like that. For example, now assuming that someone wanted to copy this information, of course I can highlight this information, but whenever I come to the function of let's say if I come to edit and I click on copy cut, it cannot do anything. Or if I come to printing, for example, if I wanted to make copies out of this by printing it, I'll come to print, it is also inactive. So that is specifically how you can prevent your content or your copyrighted content from being copied or misused by the people you have not given the authority. So it's been Henry the Computer Guy, and if you feel you're new to this channel, please help me and subscribe. And if you know the person who actually needs this content, you can help me share the link to those people who need it. Bye bye, I sign out.